The first word was that I create, I take risk, I live for my passion, I'm a Voxenite. Can we cheer for that?
We understood how everything went on. We had a lot of fun.
This kind of an atmosphere I've not got ever. Staying in this beautiful hostel, day in and day out.
Hello everyone. It was a lovely journey over here for last 1 year. I've made beautiful friends over here.
So it's been a wonderful journey.
Yeah, I made very good friends here. We were busy doing crazy presentations,